What's up, everybody? It's King and Shu. I'm here to show you guys how to play the Atlas Earth golfing game and give you some more tips on how to play a mini game in general. Let's go. Let's get right in it. So primarily when you play a mini game, it is the objective of accomplishing many little things inside of a mini game and accomplishing one goal, which is to win or to achieve the highest score, right? So in the racing mini game that I went over attached to this video, it was then to hit a certain point on a meter and to reach your destination. On the fishing mini game, it was to go all the way around and be able to hit a certain point to now get the most amount of fishes and be the winner out of your opponent, right? This is the same aspect of golf, right? I went ahead and played one game just to make sure I knew exactly what was about to happen. And primarily, it's the same aspect, the same environment. It's the ability of timing the right position. So I'll show you guys, there's around like 3 positions or 4 positions to hit. And once you hit those positions, the more difficult the position is, the more points you're going to get. So let's go right here, all right? It's the same aspect, the same feel, right? You are timing and getting the best spot possible on the meter and then doing that more than your opponent. That's basically it, right?
Okay.
So here's a mini game. And I couldn't swing. And I couldn't swing. All right. Not so good right now. I've been 3-0. I mean 2-0. But we're going to be 3-0. All right. All right, top hit. Speeds up. Same aspect. Did I lose? Well, hopefully not.
Okay.
That is the power of practice. When you practice over and over again, which is one time that I did, you'll be able to understand the entire game. But to use the same aspect as before in the racing mini game, inside of the fishing mini game as well. It is the aspect to time and adjust to the meter as well. So there's different attributes that go into it. You're not just timing and hitting the same point. You're timing and hitting in the same point and is actually speeding up over time, which is making it more difficult, right?
Okay.
So some of the things I'll also mention too is the timing. I've seen a few other videos on Atlas Earth and people are explaining it, but they are negating the fact that it is your internet connection of some kind, right? So your data connection or your Wi-Fi connection. When you have this connection, you must understand where you are, right? You must, honestly, I don't know what is going on with people not mentioning the Wi-Fi or the data connection in general. So your data connection could be bad, it could be good. It could be your Wi-Fi, it could be bad, it could be good. So you must understand your connection and your timing and you're adjusting to the timing, right? That is the main aspect of the Atlas Earth mini games. There's different attributes that go into mini games in general, but the main thing inside of Atlas Earth and all their mini games so far as of 2024, Happy New Year, it is to adjust to the timing and understand your internet connection, right? It's the same aspect in the racing, in the fishing, and in the golf. All right, we got another one. And it's going to be the same ideal. We have 30 seconds up top. It starts out slow. Am I not hitting the button? I got big hands, everyone. I got big hands. It was a little hard to hit the button. Oh, man. All right. Remember, it's going to start out slow every single time you go into a new game. So you must adjust to where it's slow, fast, and then it comes back to slow. So you got to adjust. You got to be able to adjust and understand your internet connection. All right. Oh, wow. I must have did horrible. It'll be a surprise if I won this. Honestly, I did pretty bad. All right. He won 4 times on the 5. I just won 1. All right. And then actually, I'm not going to play this mulligan. I have another video I've done on the mulligan. So go ahead and check that out. If you guys came from the mulligan, I appreciate you guys watching that. But in general, it is the timing. It's even in the timing in the mulligan video as well. It's all within the same aspect, right? So let's go ahead and skip this. That's entirely the idea, is to understand your internet connection, understand mini games in general, and the aspects of the mini games, which is in the ability to adjust to the speed and the know-how of your internet, so your data and your Wi-Fi, and actually being able to hit the point more consistently than your opponent or opponents. That's the whole aspect. That's the whole point of being able to adjust within a minigame, right? So that's like 2 aspects. There's so many more aspects you can make within minigames. So that's kind of what I do too. I do a lot of computer science. I do a lot of basketball. You got to adjust on the fly in basketball. You got to adjust and make a new feature in computer science. So if you guys are interested in computer science or in basketball in general, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure you guys have notifications on, because anything else you guys may need, I will be available inside of Discord as well. So that's generally it. There's nothing else to go on about. If you guys have any more questions, go ahead and hit the comments, hit me up in Discord. And I really want to do some stuff live, guys. I'm on Twitch as well, and I'll be playing NBA 2K, NBA Live, anything that pertains to sports and technology. I'm always doing it, right? So go ahead. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys, and I'm looking forward to actually communicating with you guys too. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This video is primarily around Atlas Earth in general. It's either going to be a crypto video on Joe Token or the aspect of Atlas Earth, so me breaking it down as a computer scientist. So go ahead and click on that next video, and I'll see you guys in the Discord.